Good evening, everybody. This is going to be a real experiment. I'm going to make leftover venison chili nacho grandes in the air fryer, and we're going to call this off-grid because we have no power at all. I've got a little 4,000 watt generator out in the driveway that's running the refrigerator, which I'm going to unplug. Got a LED light, and we're still going to try to make a video. I'm going to try to show you how to make something I make up at the cabin all the time. I want to know if I go off grid at the cabin that I'll still be able to run my air fryer, because that's almost a deal breaker with me not having an air fryer. So here we go. I got to get some ingredients out of the refrigerator before I turn it off. Too many watts. I got my refrigerator pulled out of its normal slot so we can get to the cord because it's plugged into the generator. We have an LED trouble light up there. And what else I got plugged? Oh, I got the TV plugged in, but that's about it. So here we go. This is how I make them. I make them up at the cabin like this, and I think you're gonna like them. So start out with a tortilla. Give it a quick spray with ham. Now I flip that over. Where's my cheese? There's my cheese. As I put a little bit of cheese. I'm glad I got some of these. I started to make this video a minute ago without checking. Put in as many as you feel you want. I'm going to stop there. Okay, the next step is my leftover chili. I'm going to scatter some around on there. I made this chili thick on purpose because I knew it was going to get thicker the next day. This is actually 2 days or 3 days later. 2 days. We've been without power for 2 days. Big winds. I know a lot of you know about that, so I ain't the only one. I ain't complaining. Hey guy, what are you doing? You gotta stay down. Okay, now there's a video I'll put in the description, a link of these peppers we make. I'm getting low, but I'm gonna scatter a few of them peppers on there. These do not have any hot peppers in them. These are sweet peppers and onions. But I'm going to put some jalapenos on there too. Alright. Now, where'd my cheese go? There's my cheese. Hope you can see this. That one LED trouble light. Try to get some down on the sides there. Okay, what does that look like? Alright, that's what she looks like there. I'm gonna put it in the air fryer. Practicing for off-grid by being off-grid. I'm gonna put this on the bottom because it's kind of tall. So I want it in there for an air fry, 400 degrees for 10 minutes. My favorite channel, over the air, Me TV. Alright, let's take a look. Oh boy. Can you see that? I hope so. Let's get it over here in some better light. Not that there's a lot of that. from my venison chili recipe, leftover chili. Boy, we don't have very good light in here, do we? Whoa, that's hot. That's hot. I think you can see though, that's pretty nice. And the reason we use the flour tortilla to start with, it's our plate. It's our edible plate. Now you can put whatever you want in there. Sometimes I could make that pizza if I wanted to instead of nachos. Just whatever I want to do. But that was my proof of concept. Because I'm off grid. I'm off grid right now. So, and I was able to use my air fryer to make one of my favorite foods. Hope you like it. See you later. Try it. Remember to try it. Hey Harley.